Logger 25541. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all. That'll be the first break of this next little portion. Couple of heavy formats earlier today, so not done as much as what I usually would have liked to have. 5 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is Detroit, all the way down to Nuggets. That is 5 times. All right, here we go. Your jersey is oh, very, very nice for the Lakers. Oh. Magic Johnson for LA. Who's got Lakers? 10. Rudy Sheck, congratulations. That's a beauty. What a jersey. That's super cool. Do I get my hair cut tomorrow? Not sure. Congrats, Rudy.